right, so there's only one set that's coming out this year that I wanted the whole set, and it is this Light Side, Dark Side set. It's little Star Wars characters. So I found out that they had these here. We're here with our friends Rachel and Seth, and they actually just got some of the Kathy's cookies that just came out. I'm gonna show them
He's opening them now that you just closed them.
Oh, sorry. No, fucking. So we get these at the Angels games.
Yeah, they're so good.
And we did find out for sure that if you get the bucket and return the bucket there, that you get $3 off to refill. So those are good. But they started this set, and the only one that they don't have is Darth Vader. So that's why we do we're going to get the set anyway, so we might as well get them and see if we can help them out if we need it. So we're going to go ahead and start. Let's see what we got. By the way, today's my birthday. I'm 47 years old. No, I look 30. Shocking. All right, let's see here. The ones I want Darth Maul more than anything, and probably Yoda. Let's see. The first one is. I was like, it's got a lightsaber, but that doesn't tell me anything. All right, Count Dooku. So we got Count Dooku to start. Would you know, were they all like in pairs, like paired up, or different?
Somebody was telling us that there's one good and one bad.
Wow,
really, that's the way it worked out for them. So that's why they have to.
I think I know who this is. I think it's who they need.
Yes.
Vader. We got Vader. So, yeah, we got two dark side. They know how evil I am. So, all right. So we got one.
I guess that's just personal theory.
Yeah. Did anyone else want to open any of these? You guys want to open a box? You get any luck?
No, go ahead.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, you have the good luck.
Katie, you want to open?
I'll open one in a minute.
Yeah, I'm usually open guard with the good luck.
All right, let's see. Well, good luck would have been Maul and Darth. So let's see. Oh, this looks like it may be Ahsoka.
Mm-hmm.
Is it? Sweet. Ahsoka's an awesome one. And let's see what we have here. That looks like a new one. I'm not sure who it is. Is it Obi-Wan? Right. No dupes. And this one looks like another Dooku. It is. We got a Dooku. So let's see. Maybe this will be the double Dooku and Vader together. That looks spiky. I think that might be. Oh, that's Maul. Definitely could tell that's Maul.
Yes.
Nice. So that's the one that I wanted the most out of this whole set.
All right, last box.
Let's see if Katie's luck. Which ones are we missing? So
Yoda. Luke.
and what's his name? Palpatine.
Face Man.
All right.
Palpatine.
So let's get Yoda and Vader. That's
Can't tell which way is up, but
oh, that's Luke. That's one we needed.
okay.
All right.
And last one. There's a foot.
That doesn't help.
There's a lightsaber.
Yeah, that doesn't help. Oh, there's another Obi-Wan. All right. Well, we didn't get them, but we ended up with two of those and two of those and that. So we are going to need to get Palpatine, which is the one of the least. Yoda I wanted. And then I'm going to trade them and get them Vader because I'm here all the time and they're not. So I'll be able to get Vader. So we're going to trade them Vader. So we'll have to get the Vader too. So they actually did have Palpatine one that we needed. So we're going to do the Vader for the Palpatine. And so this will be what we ended up with. And so all we'll need to do is get Vader and Yoda. And that's all. And we'll be done. Nice.
We'll see you next time on our Snazzy Life.
Bye, guys. Deuces.